Hello everyone, in this slide we will learn what is project sponsor. Let's read out the definition first. Project sponsor is a person or a group that provide resources and support for the project, program or portfolio and is accountable for enabling its success. It is basically a person or a group that provides resources and support for the project, for the program, for the portfolio. That is a range of investment which is done by the organization and is responsible for its success. Every project must have sponsor. It is one level above the project manager. It holds overall responsibility for overall process success. They represent the business side of the project. Project sponsorship is the ownership of the projects on behalf of the client organization. Now we will discuss the project sponsor role in each phase. The first phase is initiation. Here project manager is selected in initiation phase. Now who selects the project manager? The project sponsor selects the project manager. Then they give a mandate, that is a power, to the project manager. They set the level of authority towards the project and provide a context for the project. They also make sure that whether the project is appropriate for the organization or not. They participate in the kick-off meeting also. They also make important decisions for the project. Okay, this was all about initiation phase, the role of project sponsor in initiation phase. Now next phase is planning. In this phase, project sponsor makes sure the plan which has been developed for the project is feasible or not, is realistic or not. They can also resolve the issues which they are not resolved by the project manager in case. Okay, next phase is implementation. In this phase they should work with the project manager. They should not overstep boundaries. They evaluate project's actual progress and compare it with planned progress. They also feedback about it to the project manager. If any issue arises, they resolve it with project manager and team members. They also identify the risk and try to solve it and take a part in celebration after the completion of the milestone. They are also in charge of making sure the risk management is done successfully. Okay, this was all about the role and responsibility of project sponsor in the phase implementation. Next phase is closing. Sponsors also do post-mortem analysis, that is the lessons learned analysis. They also make sure that the hands-off and sign-off are done properly. They facilitate the discussion that decide whether the project is success or failed. Okay, now let's discuss the roles and responsibility of sponsor. The first role is promotion. The sponsors try to keep the project at highest priority within the organization by promoting them. Next is authorization. Authorize the project, provide license to the project and assign work to the project manager. Next is funding. Sponsor ensures whether the funds are in place. They can also approve changes to the budget if required. Next is approving. Sponsor approve the project management plan, also decides how project is managed. Next is scoping. Means sponsor determine the scope for the project. Next is project charter. Sponsor will prepare the document for the project. Next is informing. Sponsor collects the project status updates from the project manager and provide it to the executives. Next is receiving. Sponsor receives project deliverables from the project manager, approves them and integrate them into the owner or organization. Okay, this was all about project sponsor.